Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to show you nothing but how to hide your folder. I think most of the people know how to hide their folder, computer folder. So now I like to show you how people used to hide their folder. Just this is a test. So just go to properties, hide, and okay, this is the normal method how people hide their folder at computer. And how to open, I'm using Windows 8. Go to my computer, view, then hide hidden items. So here you can see my this is my test file. So in this way people hide their folder, but at the Windows 7 people go to my computer, sorry about, I'm Windows 8. So people go to my computer folder option, then view and show hidden file folder and drives. In this way people unhide or hide their folder or file text, anything, document. So today I'm going to show you one new method. So this is really exceptional method because most people don't know how this way. So for this way you can hide your folder, no one can find your folder. Who know this method, those person can unhide this folder. So the method is nothing but go to your search option or Windows R, then type CMD, open your command prompt, then now my directory is John. Now I go to my desktop location. So this is my desktop location, my current location is desktop. Now type just ATTRIB space plus ace plus s and plus r space. Now type your folder or file name. Now my test file name, folder name is test. So test, refresh. Here you can see my folder is gone. So now I like to show, here you can see my hidden item is checked, but my hidden file or folder is not showing in my desktop. So I also like to show you, go to command prompt, petition, folder option, which is available. This option is available at Windows 7. So view, here you can see show hidden file folders and drives, but my folder is not showing in my desktop. So this is a simple but most effective method. Most people don't know this method. So if you want to unhide your folder, then type this same command, just ATTRIBT space, sorry, attrib space, just minus h minus s and minus r, then type your hide folder name. Just my hidden folder name is test. So just I type test and enter. Just here you can see my hidden folder is unhide. So this is my hidden folder. So this is a simple but most effective method. I hope you like this tips. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.